we have a problem to solve. This is my small tripod that I use to make my videos. I also have a big tripod in the workshop. That means I move camera from small tripod to big tripod. And to do so, I use this quick release bracket. It's great, I really like it, apart from one thing. The screw in this thing is tiny, and to operate, it's not very comfortable to your hands and fingers. That's why in this video I'm gonna want to make a knob that is more comfortable to operate. To make the project more interesting to you guys, I'm gonna make it using double-sided machining, and hopefully it's gonna be more challenging and you're gonna take something out of it. So let's go to the office and start designing. After taking few measurements of the screw, I managed to design a simple knob. This is the top side of the board. Now I flip the board to show the bottom side of it. If you want me to make a video showing in details how I designed this knob, please let me know in the comment below. The 3 holes in the board, they represent registration pins. They're gonna help me with double-sided machining. I'm going to cut 5 of them knobs, even though I need only 2. This is just in case something goes wrong. We are ready to start machining the second side, the bottom side. First of all, we're gonna drill a registration pins. I'm gonna have to use a hand drill to drill it to the size I need, which is 8 millimeters. It's because I don't have big enough collet. The biggest one I have is 7 millimeters. So it's not a problem. We do the pilot hole and then hand drill it later to the right size. Okay, what happened? I just have the wrong height set up. I need to change the height and come back and redo it again. The toolpath height was set up to top of the material, so I just need to change the setting in VCarve Pro. So we're drilling into the wasteboard, not the material. I'll be back in a minute with right setting. Alright, I have updated the file, put it in the software now. It's still gonna think there's this material there, but the depth of cut gonna be much deeper, so it will go down and cut to a wasteboard. Using M8 dowels. And hopefully when I flip it to the other side, the pin's gonna correspond. So let's have a look. Perfect. We can start engraving now the second side.
Before I go ahead, I flash trim them pins, just in case they are in the way of the engraved bit.
That is the tiniest text engraving I ever done on CNC router. I think we have a success.
later.
And there it is. The project is finished. It looks good, I think. There's my logo there. And the most important part, it does work and makes the operation of this bracket so much easier. And comfortable. That's what I wanted. Bigger knob makes such a difference. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this project, guys. Hope you took something out of it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment below, and I'll see you on the next one. Give me a thumbs up.